At least you're not doing this alone, Dad.
That's right.
That's the best part of it. This is called family teamwork.
Sure is. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. So we are back here again, trying to fix the Integra. Back here again, doing another oil pan gasket. As you can see, this one kind of came a little jacked up, but I think it'll be okay. Didn't really damage this at all. But Amazon is sending me a new one, so that's dope. But you can clearly see it's been leaking here, all the way back here. Disgusting. And all that, that's gross. And you can tell why. I broke this off, this was my bad. So I'm gonna try and get it off myself with a pair of pliers, and if I can't do that, I'm gonna go pick up one of those bolt extractor things that screws onto it, and then we'll do that. You guys are probably getting sick of seeing me do oil pan gaskets, and honestly, I'm getting sick of doing them. It's a real pain in the ass to have to buy new oil all the time, and but it's also a real pain in the ass to have a broken car. So I know I've been gone for a little while, and I'm gonna drop an explainer video on that coming up, but Civic is still down. I'll go through all that in another video. But I'm back, baby, and you can expect a hell of a lot more content from me. Not only are we gonna be doing car stuff, but I'm also gonna start vlogging a little bit. So if you like that stuff, you can watch it. If not, you don't have to watch it, but I'm gonna be putting more stuff on my channel about who I am as a person and all that stuff. Just, yeah. So if that's cool to you, then watch, and if not, then, you know, you don't have to watch. But I do appreciate every single one of you. We're so close to 1,000. So if you haven't, hit that subscribe button, make sure you smash the like, make sure notifications are turned on, and if you feel like it, drop a comment, but you sure don't have to after doing all that other shit. All right, let's get to work. So you guys can probably hear the girls in the background. They'll probably be in the background of a lot of these videos. But you first have to take off these bolts, and the stud comes out of this one over here, so that's kind of shitty. And then you undo this bolt right here, and then these, which are usually banjo bolts, but I've taken the banjo out of the banjo. And then you take these bolts off here, and the ones up there, and then you take them off, and then this plate will come off, and then you take them in order. Actually, I'm going to take all of them off except like the metal too, and then drop this. But first, we're going to drop the exhaust and then drain the oil, and I am not replacing the filter again. So let's get to it. I want you to take this one and pull it towards me repeatedly.
Like Fee did?
Yep.
And this is my hand, just so you know.
Yep, keep going. Keep holding it, Fee. Nope, you're not holding it, sweetheart.
It came off.
Stop, Abby. Let her get it back on. Good.
Got it.
Hold it. Keep going.
Sorry, Fee.
You're doing great.
At least you're not doing this alone, Dad.
That's right.
That's the best part of it. This is called family teamwork.
Sure is.
Both do it together.
Alrighty, y'all. So as you can see, old gasket is still here, but there was some metal. Looks like it, I don't know, it just looks like it's kind of jacked up here. I did pinch it for sure, and this guy is threaded. I don't know, but it should be okay. I'm gonna try and get this out with the with a wrench, but I'm gonna let this drip for a little while. Because I'm gonna have to be working on this. I want it to kind of be dry. So see if I can get this thing off now. It's stuck on really well with that Honda bond, so I know that wasn't the issue. Look at that. Holy crap, that's on there. Wow, that stuff is strong. Look at that. Can't even get it off. There we go. All right, try and get this corner off. I have to set the camera down. Works like a charm. Holy shit. I cannot believe that worked. Unbelievable. Fantastic results. Look at that. Came right out. Perfectly clean. I give that a 10 out of 10. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Ready, y'all? So we got the new oil pan on, new oil pan gasket, and the exhaust put back together. The O2 sensors plugged back in. Man, I don't know if you guys saw in the video, I broke the same fucking bolt again, but this time I broke it inside the thing. What should I do? Should I get one of those easy extractor kits and just pull it out and like re-thread it? Because I definitely need to, I use, what is it, a tap? Need to use a tap. So I definitely need to use a tap on that, I think, to clear up those threads. So I'm gonna have to get a tap, an extractor set for that. The rest of them are in. I'm gonna have to pull, I wanna pull these studs out and put in bolts because these are a real pain in the ass. They were all giving me problems. This one gave me a lot of problems, but it's in. So a couple things that I need to do. I need to replace some bushings. This one is cracked over here. It's disintegrated. And yeah, so I got a lot of work to do. Probably gonna give it 24 hours, so that'd be tomorrow afternoon when I refill it with oil, and then I'll give it a start. I'm sure it's gonna be pissing oil again from that same spot, so I am gonna be purchasing that. I'm gonna buy some motor mounts, and those will be coming in a new video. I'll throw those on, show you guys how to install those, and little bit by little bit, we're getting this thing roadworthy finally. So yeah, I mean, that's it. You just gotta take it apart, put it all back together. Keep track of your bolts, don't fuck them up. Man, and this one was a little loose. This one is gonna crack. So this one has to come out next time I'm pulling this stud, for sure. All right, guys, that's all. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and yeah, peace out, Cub Scouts. I'm really sorry about the like 3 weeks with no video. Won't happen again. All right, peace out, guys.